Hello YouTube, this is John. I'm back in Uganda. I have a surprise for you guys. So we have our waiting. We said don't crash it. We have our new gift in the house. We have the washing machine. As you can see, it is Hisense. You're going to see everything about this washing machine. It was kept very well. It is 6. I'm going to give you all the details when we get to the user menu, so I can't read all these things on the box, but you can see everything. You can get all the updates on how it works, on how to use it, how to connect it. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified. So thanks for the gift and where it came from. Thanks a lot.